Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a Tonic Studio haul to share with you. I was able to find some goodies on the sale that we're having, so let's go ahead and check out the goodies that I got. Okay, I'll show you some of the dies and stuff. So the first thing I want to show is this. It's a spine die set. Well, it's called Keepsake Bookmarker Simple Spine Die Set, and it's for your mini journal. So this is a die so that you could do that. So I got that one. And the next thing I hauled is this mausoleum gift box die set. I believe this came out last Halloween, but it was on sale, so of course I had to have it. Look how nice that is. And it shows you how to put the pieces together. Real nice. Love the mausoleum. And then I do have, this is a storage envelope. And it does have a magnetic sheet in there so you can store your dies. So I have that. There. The next thing I was able to buy, they do have some monthly craft boxes still available, so I was able to get one of them. And this one is from the Halloween one that they had, and I love Halloween. So this one is kit number 96. And it tells you what's inside the kit, and this makes this little like treat box real nice, so let's go ahead and see what all I got in here. So everything's like a little mystery box kind of setup. Your little gray bag of joy. You do got some adhesive 5mm squares, and then here goes your little craft kit. Look at that. So you got your rub-ons, your dies. It even tells you how to put it together. We got even some stickers, some stamps. Real nice. It's all to make your little stuff. And then here we got another craft kit collection where you can put your book and stuff in there and keep that. This is really nice. This is, I think, yeah, it's my first one I ever bought. Every fold, every cut, every hue, craft perfect, where every shade tells a story. And then in here, of course, you got your papers. Look at that. Look at the shimmering gold. You got your orange, your green, purple. Real nice. So yeah, this is basically a kit that they have. They also had some Christmas ones. There's a few that they do carry in it. This was not the only one that they have, but I like Halloween, so you already know I got the Halloween one. So yeah, real love. And then in the goodie bag, let's see what you get in the goodie bag. Yeah, you do get some paste. That. And you do get some Nuvo drops. You get that in there. Real nice. I love the kit. I'm gonna have to check out the other ones. But that's what I got for the Halloween one. And like I said, this was the one that they had last year. And there is a Christmas one that I've seen. There could have been another of these ones, but I'm not 100% sure. And then I also got some Nuvo drops. I think that's how I'm saying them right. And I do like how they package it in the back so none of them will spill. But I did get the pink one. Look at that. And these are jewel drops. Look at the pink. I got the pink one. I did get a gray one. Love that. Now these were $1.99. I got like a little turquoise one. Super cute. A blue, like an aqua. Also got a lime. Love, 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 love. And a yellow. So I got those. And then I also had Tim Holtz Media Surface Mat. And this is 13.5 by 23. And I got this so that I could put across my table so I could make a mess. You know, we love making messes. And then lastly, I was able to get the Tim Holtz Media Glass Studio Mat, and this was actually pretty damn cheap. This is size 14.25 by 23.78. So I was able to get this, and this is why I got this right here. So I love, love, love this. Now I have the black one, but I like this one also, the white one, because sometimes the black is a little too dark, so I was able to get this. Now during the sale, I don't know if the sale's still going, but they also had the black ones on sale, the traveling one and the regular one, but I already have those. So yeah, that is my little haul from Tonic Studios. I will link the site below so you can go ahead and check it out and see if they have more deals, because they usually do. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you on my family. And make sure you hit the notifications so you never miss a uploaded video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.